In this video, I'm going to show how to install SQL Server vNext, which is one of the latest release from Microsoft. It has some good features add on top of SQL Server. This SQL Server vNext is a platform that will be capable to install on Windows as well as Linux. So I have downloaded the latest version CTP 1.1 of SQL Server vNext, and I'm going to install by clicking this install file. Here, as usual, I'm going to choose a new SQL Server standalone installation. So there is no changes on the look and feel of SQL Server installation center, but there could be some changes. Let us see what are the changes they have made on top of features and options related to the features. I'll go with Evolution Edition and I will accept the license. Go to next. So it is checking for the supporting files. Alright, it is fine. Go to next. Here these are the features which you can see in SQL Server vNext CTP 1.1. Alright, so there is no changes on the features except this integration services. Under integration services we have scale out master, scale out worker. So it means scale out master and worker are both related to boost your performance of the package by distributing the execution of the package to different machines. So I will demonstrate what is scale out master and the scale out worker on my next video. So now we'll try to select all and we'll install as it is. Go to next. So except these integration services, rest of the features are same. You can compare with SQL Server, and I'll go with the default instance MS SQL Server. And the next step is polybase configuration. So this has been added from SQL Server 2016, so we can go with the same default option. And the next one is server configuration. See, here we have to map the service accounts for each services. So as you can see, we have seen two different features under SQL Server integration services. The same feature requires two service accounts. One is for SQL Server integration service scale out master and scale out worker. So these two service accounts will be installed while installing this SQL Server vNext. And rest of the service accounts are same as you can see in this SQL Server 2016. I'll go to next with the default option. I'll add the current user. This page is also similar to SQL Server, so there is no changes. I'll add current user setup for analysis like multidimensional and data mining, or tabular mode or pivot mode. I'll go with multidimensional. And this is the place for reporting services configure. I can install and configure, or I can install only, so I have to configure later. So this is a place for that new add-ons, integration service scale out master configuration. Here we have to define the port number, so this port number will be added into this URL. So when we want to process the scale out master configuration, we have to go to this URL and we need to access this. Here machine name is nothing but your virtual machine name or the machine which you are using now. Here I'm going to create a new SSL certificate as I don't have a existing SSL certificate. So click next. It is going to create the certificate, and this is for scale out worker configuration. So it has taken that URL which we defined for scale out master. So using that URL we are going to interact with the scale out worker. So because as we are going to distribute the workload to the worker, we need to be in a same URL. Alright, and this is common as a distributed replay controller. Next, so this is same as SQL Server. I'll go with the default. This is for Microsoft, or as I selected or standalone server and database, I have to accept the license. So just accept here. So once this is done, it is going to list out all the selected features that we want to install. So just go through once and make sure to click the install to install the SQL Server vNext CTP1. So it will take some time to install this SQL Server on my Windows machine. So I'll catch you on next video. Please subscribe for new features which is available in vNext. Thank you.